This series of flashcards is about pH, a concentration scale for acids and bases. pH is a convenient way to express the acidity of a solution, that is, the concentration of hydronium ions in the solution. The pH scale extends from about 0 to 7 to about 14. You see here in a figure from your textbook that acids are at the low end of the scale, that bases are at the high end of the scale. Vinegar has a pH of about 2.8 and so does a soda. An orange has a pH of about 3.8. At the high end of the scale, household ammonia has a pH of about 11. Oven cleaner, which is really sodium hydroxide, has a pH of 11.7. About in the middle of the scale is blood, with a pH of 7.4, slightly on the basic side of neutral. Here again you see the illustration from your textbook. Acids are at the low end of the pH scale, which means that acids have a relatively higher concentrations of hydronium ion. Bases are at the high end of the scale, which means that they have relatively low concentrations of hydronium ion. Based on our previous slides, we can reach an important conclusion. Acidic solutions will have a pH less than 7. Basic solutions will have a pH greater than 7. Neutral solutions will have a pH equal to 7 at 25 degrees Celsius. The pH is defined as the base 10 logarithm of 1 over the hydronium ion concentration for the solution. Or to write it in an equivalent way, it is the negative of the base 10 logarithm of the hydronium ion concentration. Before you go further, if you need to review logarithms, please see the appendix of your textbook. What is the pH of a solution when the hydronium ion concentration is 0.010 moles per liter? If you predicted the pH would be low and the solution acidic, you would be correct. Let's do the calculation on the next slide. Let's find the pH of a solution when the hydronium ion concentration is 0.010 moles per liter. First, let's write the concentration in scientific notation. 0.010 is the same thing as 1.0 times 10 to the minus 2. So the pH is minus the logarithm of 1.0 times 10 to the minus 2. Now remember that when you take a logarithm of two numbers that are multiplied together, it really is the same thing as the sum of the logarithms of the numbers. So the second step is the logarithm of 1 plus the logarithm of 10 to the minus 2. The log of 1 is 0. The log of 10 to the minus 2 is minus 2. So the net result is that the pH is equal to 2.00. The solution is indeed acidic.